I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. In this thought-provoking interview, host Tom Bilyeu engaged in a far-reaching dialogue with Emad Mostaque, founder of Stability AI, about the immense promise and potential perils of artificial intelligence, AI. Mostaque believes AI could help solve major global problems if guided ethically, but cautions we must also carefully consider the risks. Mostaque explained that AI capabilities are advancing extremely quickly. He highlighted systems like Google's medical AI model that can outperform human doctors in diagnosis and empathy. Mostaque emphasized that soon AI will be ubiquitous, with everyone interacting with it daily. He pointed to exciting opportunities in areas like personalized healthcare and education, envisioning AI tutors providing customized learning. However, Mostaque also acknowledged there are downsides to be addressed, like massive job disruption, existential threats from misaligned AI, and the use of AI for alarming mass surveillance and social control purposes. He stressed the imperative of asking difficult questions now about how to properly align AI with human values and prevent its misuse. Mostaque himself signed a letter urging broader conversations around responsible AI development. Looking ahead over the next 3-5 years, Mostaque predicted we will see massive economic disruption and job losses as increasingly capable AI becomes enterprise-ready and widely deployed. He worries AI advances may cause a crisis of meaning and purpose as humans grapple emotionally with being outperformed by machines. Mostaque emphasized we need to find ways to create new jobs even faster than old ones are destroyed. Regarding bias in AI, Mostaque advocated for full transparency about how these systems are developed, using diverse, high-quality training data sets. He aims to build customizable, national-level AI models that better represent different human cultures and perspectives. Mostaque also highlighted emerging risks of AI-generated misinformation around elections, and speculated blockchains could help address authenticity issues. When it comes to regulating AI, Mostaque promoted the idea of regulatory sandboxes, where systems can be tested safely to gauge real-world impacts. He said we urgently need upgraded government policies and regulations so that the public sector can try to keep pace with rapid AI developments. Mostaque passionately emphasized the need for open, inclusive collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and the general public on these issues. Discussing the positive potential of AI, Mostaque highlighted personalized education and healthcare as two areas ripe for massive improvements through the application of these technologies. He envisions specialized AI assistants that could provide customized tutoring and medical insights far beyond human capabilities. Mostaque stressed that the ethical development of AI is key to maximizing its benefits while minimizing harms. He believes if guided wisely, AI could help unlock humanity's fullest potential and perhaps enable an abundant, flourishing future for all. But Mostaque acknowledged there are still many open and unanswered questions about the ideal path forward. In conclusion, Mostaque provided a balanced big-picture perspective on AI, underscoring its transformational positive potential, while also recognizing there are serious concerns and unknowns that cannot be ignored. He advocated for broad global cooperation to steer AI toward benevolence rather than misuse or unintended existential catastrophe. Overall, this thought-provoking interview covered many critical issues around the accelerating pace of AI development and the urgent need for thoughtful safeguards and policies to protect society as this powerful technology inexorably moves forward and reshapes our world. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.